friends, it's Jenny, and today I'm going to give you guys a helpful hint. I talk to a lot of customers when we go in for remodel appointments who have furniture that's been faded, carpeting that looks awful, even wood flooring that's changed color over time, and that is happening a lot due to UV coming in through your windows on sunny days. I know it's rainy today, which is the perfect day to talk about UV filters. So I have a helpful hint for you. It's very inexpensive. I don't know how it works. It's some sort of sorcery. We had it done on our own personal house. We had kind of a northwestern exposure on the back of our house, and it got very sunny in the afternoons. So in order to save our furniture, our carpeting, our wood flooring, there is a film that you can put on the glass, and by some magic it like melts into the glass and it blocks UV from coming into the house. This film has grades of reflectivity, so it can be kind of mirrored like you might see in a high rise in the city. Most residential houses wouldn't do that, but a little bit of reflectivity will not only help with the UV, it will act sort of like a blind would. It will help with the heat transfer as well. So if you have discoloration because UV is coming in, or you have a new house and you want to protect your finishes, or it's blaringly hot, consider a UV film on your windows. It will really help. See you next time.